Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to look at Newton's law of cooling. This is based on our exponential growth. Basically, it shows us how an item might cool when put in a surrounding temperature that is cooler than itself. So let's just start with some cookies who are taken out of an oven that is 250 degrees. Okay, and placed on the counter in a room that is 75 degrees. Okay, now this will be proportional rate of change, so we will have the rate of change of the temperature of the cookies with respect to time t will be K times the temperature of the cookies minus the surrounding temperature. Okay, so capital T is the temp of the cookies. T sub S is the surrounding temperature, which does equal 75 degrees in this case. Okay, now this doesn't look exactly like the formulas that we were using before, but we do know it's proportional. So what we're going to do is we're going to let y equal this difference in temperature. Then our formula is going to become dy dt equals ky. And now it looks exactly like an exponential growth problem. So we know our formula looks like this. Okay, so let's see what our initial value is. Our temperature, our y value at time 0, is the initial temperature minus the surrounding temperature, which gives me 175 degrees. That's my initial y value. So that's going to go in for C. Okay. Now let's say that the cookies are at 100 degrees 30 minutes later. Now this tells me that T equals a half an hour. So now y of a half is 100 minus 75. Okay, so now we have 25 equals 175 e to the k times a half. Okay, so if we solve this, we'll end up with 25 over 175 equals e to the k times a half. So then k over 2 is going to end up being the natural log of 25 over 175. Okay, and then we can multiply by 2, and k is twice the natural log of 25 over 175. So that makes our function y equal to 175 e to the 2 natural log times t. That would be my function to determine the y value. Now the y value, remember, is this difference in temperature. So let's say they ask the question, what will the temperature be after an hour? Okay. All right, so first let's find the y value after 1 hour. So y at 1 hour will be 175 e to the twice natural log of 25 over 175 times 1. So I can go to my calculator, which I'm going to pull up real quick, and calculate this. So 175 times e to the twice the natural log of 25 divided by 175. Make sure I type that in right. And we get 3.571. Okay. Now, that is our y value. So that means we have 3.571 equals the temperature of the cookies minus 75. That means the temperature of the cookies is the 3.571 plus 75. So if we add 75, we will get 78.571 degrees would be the temperature of the cookies after 1 hour. Okay, hopefully that helped. That's a Newton's law of cooling problem, another use of our exponential growth and decay. We'll see you next time.